You have 5 minutes and 28 seconds to complete the physical assessment testing in a continuous manner. Your time will start when you step over the start line. The first station is the hose drag. You will drag a simulated charged hose line for 90 feet. The simulator will consist of 10 feet of uncharged hose line linked to a weighted sled box. The box will contain approximately 95 pounds of weight to simulate the weight of 3 sections of charged 1 3/4 inch hose line and the associated force weight of friction on an asphalt surface, a total pull force of 65 pounds. You will drag the simulator for 90 feet until both feet cross over the target line. Station 2 is the hose pull. After completing Station 1, the proctor will lead you to a marked square measuring 5 feet by 5 feet. The proctor will place the end of a 50-foot section of uncharged hose line just inside the marked square. You will reel in the same simulator that you dragged in Station 1 while remaining inside the square at all times. The exercise will end once all 50 feet of hose line have been reeled in and the leading edge of the hose box crosses over the front edge of the marked box. You may use any method to reel in the hose line as long as you remain inside the marked square and do not become entangled in the hose line. Station 3, Ladder Hill. You will raise a 24-foot extension ladder by walking it up using a hand-over-hand technique. You will then lower the ladder in the reverse manner. You must walk the ladder all the way to a vertical position and all the way back down to the ground using the rungs of the ladder. You must not drop the ladder or grasp the rails of the ladder at any time during the exercise. Station 4, Forcible Entry. This activity simulates forcible entry scenarios on the fire ground, such as penetrating a locked door. You will use a 10-pound sledgehammer to strike a sled target located 3 feet off the ground. You will strike the target a number of times necessary to move the sled 12 inches. You must remain on the designated platform at all times while completing this station. Station 5, Equipment Carry. You will dismount a simulated gas-powered positive pressure ventilation weighing approximately 45 pounds from a mounted platform. Carry the fan to a cone marking 50 feet, circle the cone, walk 50 feet back to the mounting platform, and remount the fan onto the platform. The fan must be carried at all times while you are moving, but may be set down at any time to allow you to rest. The fan must be completely remounted within the compartment to complete the station. Station 6, Stair Climb. You will climb up and back down a set of stairs equivalent to 2 conventional flights of stairs or stories. You will carry a high-rise pack containing 2 sections of bundled 1 3/4 inch hose weighing approximately 42 pounds. The stair prop consists of a platform supported by 2 sets of 4 stairs with railings on both sides that may be used for support. You will be required to complete 7 repetitions in order to complete this station. A single repetition involves climbing up the 4 stairs and then climbing down the other side of the simulator. The hose pack may be carried in any manner that is comfortable, but must be carried without dragging it at all times. Both feet must touch the ground before turning around and returning up the stairs. No skipping of the stairs will be permitted. Should a stair be skipped, the proctor will require the applicant to go back and step on the skipped stair to complete the repetition. Station 7, Dummy Drag. You will drag a fully clothed, human-formed dummy weighing 165 pounds. You will drag the dummy 25 feet, circle a cone, and return 25 feet to cross the starting point. To complete this station, both you and the dummy must completely cross the finish line. You will drag the dummy using only the attached harness. Dragging the dummy by any limb, lifting under the dummy's arms, holding onto the dummy's clothing, or carrying the dummy are not acceptable methods of completing this station. Station 8, Breach and Pull. You will demonstrate the physical ability to breach and pull a ceiling with a pipe pull by performing breach and pull motions using a ceiling simulator. You'll position a pipe pull in a target diamond on the breach portion of the simulator and, pushing against 60 pounds of resistance, completely open the breach side hatch door. You will perform 3 consecutive push repetitions. You will hook the pipe pull into the metal ring on the simulator and pull with 80 pounds of force to pull the hatch door completely down. You will perform 5 consecutive pull repetitions. 1 set of 3 push repetitions, followed by 5 pull repetitions, will constitute 1 push-pull cycle. You will complete 4 cycles. The proctor will count out loud repetitions and provide instructions to ensure compliance. This station involves a highly specific simulator. It is recommended that you closely observe the operation of this simulator prior to beginning the test.